Swadika, my name is Mandy and welcome to ShitMendyCooks kitchen. Now summer is coming and today I'm going to show you how to make the favorite dessert for Thai people called homemade coconut ice cream with jackfruit. So I will let Napa walk you through all the ingredients and show you how to make this dish. Let's get started.
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I will walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We have coconut milk, sugar, cornstarch, salt, jackfruit, chong or tapioca noodle. To begin with, mix cornstarch, coconut milk and sugar together in a pot. Set over medium to low heat and stir consistently until the mixture is thickened. Remove from the stove and keep stirring until the mixture cools down.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Alright, to begin with, we're gonna start preparing jackfruit by cutting the fruit into small cubes. Once the mixture cools down, you can add jackfruit and tapioca noodle. Stir gently until the mixture are well blended. Put the ice cream base in a Tupperware and keep it in the freezer overnight. Serve and garnish with sweet coconut sticky rice, and toasted peanut on the top, and then we are done.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!